All right, I didn't create that mess, but I am responsible for this test. Here's what I've done here. I've created a test when it comes to hardwood floor. These are both oak. One's a yellow, one's a white oak. Now, I put some color on there. All it's about is to really see the wood grain. We're trying to match up what we got inside already. And what we have inside already is kind of a tough one to judge. It's not a traditional red oak. It's definitely not a traditional yellow oak. I think it might be this white oak that we're looking at here. And so what I've done here is I've created this test. Now, you can call it a 12-way test. You can call it a 14-way if we include these raw samples. But here what we got is we got 4 different types of stain. I don't care about the colors in there. I tried to match the colors as close to what I thought was in there. But really what I'm trying to see is what these grains are doing. And then I did a couple different polys. One's an oil, one's just a rub-on. And that'll show us a lot. And so what, again, we're trying to do is to find the right wood that we can run throughout the rest. And I tell you what, if I was a betting man, I would tell you, I think I found the right wood. It's one of these two. It's definitely one of these two. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just got to be so dang close that no one else will notice. But I think one of these two is the type of wood that's in there. Now all we got to do is find our installer, which I'm going to go do now. And if we get that right installer, we get this thing done. It's going to be a beautiful thing.